The best day of my life was the day I met you, or so I thought, because every day I'm with you and grow with you and love you is better than the last. From opposite ends of the world, I truly believe we were made for each other, and I thank God that after all this time and all you have been through, to be standing right here, right now, you found me.
So I'm going to say yes. Yes to love. Yes to adventure. Yes to our life together. Whatever it may be, the answer is going to be yes.
Thank you for being brave and choosing love. While I will probably always be your slow prince, I also want to be your Prince Charming, working every day to be the man that you deserve. You are my home, and you will never be without love again. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I love you more than you know.
Bracelet, stand by back. Yes. Okay. Hit our back. Put your bracelet on. I'll hold your hand, and I'll carry you and I'll carry the back
I
of
would
your
say
dress walking.
it's destiny for us being together. Somehow, every step I made has leading me towards you. God sent you to me, who will spoil me with respect, loyalty, honesty, affection, and love me unconditionally. The joy I felt when we are together is indescribable in words. You complete me. Today and forever, I give you my heart, my soul, and my trust. No matter what our future might bring, I want nothing more than just to be your wife. I love you. 我爱你.
I mean, you guys saw from her vows today, it's that love is true, and it really warms my heart, makes me feel it when I'm around. So, a toast to the happy couple.
Crazy to see when she's like, I have a boyfriend. And then she brought him around and we're like, okay, well, we kind of like him. Like, he's pretty okay.
Just a few minutes with them and you see how much they love each other and their ability to run it back and be aggressive to each other.
We have harmony and calmness and togetherness, working together, separately but together. Peace comes from a mastering of emotions. And as we
thinking of this over, so let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
With this ring, I thee wed, and I pledge to you all that I am and all that I have.
With this ring, I thee wed, and I pledge to you all that I am and all that I have.
And wherever you go, I will also go.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Lance, you may kiss your bride.